Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we created 4-foot plant stakes using 2x4s, and we are going to show you how we did it. So in this clip we're cutting our 2x4x8s into two pieces to make them 2x4x4s. And then we cut our 2x4x4 into three individual parts, making one 2x4x8 into 6 different stakes. Here we created a template using two 2x4s and a 2x6. And we use our template and attach it to our miter saw using clamps, and then turn the miter saw 15 degrees. After that, we cut it on both sides to make a pointy edge. And here's our sharp edge. So here we're measuring and marking 1 foot so we can drive it into the ground next to the plants. And we did this for all of the planks. Here's our second batch of stakes, and instead of using our 15-degree angle, we switched it to 25 because it was a little too sharp. And here's a little close-up just showing the difference from a 25 to 15-degree angle. And here we are again marking our 1 foot mark. So before we did any of the hammering, we first watered the plants so it's easier to put our sticks inside, and then we used a mallet to put them in the first row, but eventually we found that was a little harder, so we started using a T-post driver, which made it a lot easier. And if you look here, you can see all of our plants are like falling to the side. So that's pretty much the reason we put these stakes in the ground, to make them stand upright. So first we put a stake in on the far left and far right, and after we attached a string to it, which made it a whole lot easier to put the stakes in a straight line. and we repeated this for each of the rows after. And this is the final product of how it looks after driving all the stakes down with our T-post driver. And we attached our plants to the stakes using our green tape here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.